Welcome. In front of me I have Nike Adapt BB version 2.0 and we are going to make the unbox of these shoes. So as you can see, it comes with big brand Nike box and it looks like that. Check it out how it looks from the other sides. At the bottom of the box. So right now let's go inside. So at the first we got our shoes, the left and the right one, and here we got the self-lace technology with the buttons right here, plus and the minus, and so if we press the plus, just check it out. Nice, but it's a little bit weird sound. And then we got the right one, and of course when you press the button, they release the same like the left one. And inside we can find, I mean we will back to these shoes, right? But let's take a look what we got inside. Some paper stuff, and here we can find the USB-C cable and the charger. And here we got also the wireless charger. Of course you have to plug it with this cable charger, so you have to put here the USB-C cable, and then you will be able to charge your shoes. And at the bottom it looks like that. Nike Adapt Charger 1.0, and that's all that you can find actually in the box. There's nothing more. So right now I will bring here the boots. So inside they looks like that. I will zoom a little bit. So if you are looking for the luggage check, you can use this video for sure. Okay, and let's go for the left shoe. And for sure it looks identical, so just check it out. So that's how it looks. I hope that this video will help you, and of course if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.